Hey, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to block YouTube Shorts from appearing using Brave browser. Now, if you want to see the written version of this video, you can find a link to my website in the video description. So what we're going to basically look at is how to block YouTube Shorts from appearing in your YouTube search results if you're using the Brave browser. Now, this does work on the desktop and mobile browser. You might be wondering why do you even care to use it on the mobile browser? Well, if you're like me, I'm using Graphene OS, which is a very privacy-based operating system. I'll put a link to that video in the video description if you want to check it out. It does not install any Google Play services. It's based on Android. It does not install YouTube, nothing at all. So the only way for me to access YouTube is to go to the website. That way I don't have an app installed, constantly tracking what network I'm on, scanning my phone for privacy-related data. You kind of get the idea. Anyway. So what sparked this for me is basically there was an announcement from the YouTube CEO that YouTube will soon let creators make shorts with their own AI likeness. I just was never a fan of YouTube Shorts to begin with. I just found it really annoying, and it should be a completely separate service, not related to YouTube, like YouTube Shorts as a completely separate app or service. And when you go to the homepage, you'll see something like this, a whole bunch of shorts in your face that you don't really care about. Admittedly, I have made one YouTube short for my channel. I was just curious to see what the whole hubbub was. Didn't enjoy the process, not a fan of the format, and never did it ever again. So, as you can see, I went to the youtube.com homepage, and here we have YouTube Shorts right here in the middle. Really annoying and obtrusive. So how do we get this done? You just want to open up your settings for your Brave browser. I'm using this on a desktop browser, obviously. I'll show you how to do it on a mobile browser shortly. And you want to use the search function at the top right, and just type in content filter. There's too many options to go through, so we'll just search for it instead. It's under the shield section. And then here, you have a whole bunch of functions that you can use to block certain content from the internet as a whole, not just YouTube Shorts. This does not require any type of extension or add-on to Brave browser. This is all literally built into the browser itself. All you need to do is find YouTube anti-shorts, check this box. So here I am on YouTube. If I refresh the page, because you have shorts here in the middle, so we have the same kind of similar recommended content. Now we have news, and it just skips over. There's no YouTube Shorts. And if you use the search function to search up any YouTube content, it'll also disappear from these search results as well. Okay, so how do we do this on mobile Brave browser? You just go to the settings, little icon at the bottom. It might differ obviously on iOS, but you basically want to go to the settings for Brave browser. Here we have Brave, Shields, and Privacy at the top. Just open that. And then you're looking for the same thing, content filtering. Scroll down a bit right here, open that up. And then here, same thing. You just want to basically look for disabling YouTube Shorts down on the list a little bit, and you're done. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, be sure to check out my website link in the video description. Hit that like button, it does help. And subscribe, it literally helps my channel grow. And maybe consider hitting the super thanks. It's like the heart button just below this video, because I have to make these after hours when I'm not working. And that's pretty much a wrap.